The preferred stock dividends, there is one better, no?
Preferential. Preferred.
Where, from where
170,
you come stock
Preferred.
dividend?
170, 176.
Okay,
Preferred.
you went somewhere else. First, you understand this, right? If this
Yeah,
is
this,
clear, then we
yeah,
will go.
yeah, yes, I got it. Yeah.
Then preferred stock dividend is two kind of share: equity, common equity share, and preferred share. So preferred share is those kind of share where the shareholder will get a preference while paying out dividends. Generally, they have no voting rights. So preference of paying dividend, which means that if the company makes profit of $1 billion, first dividend will be paid, and if something remains, then dividend will be paid to equity. So this preferred stock dividend means there are some preference shareholder for whom the dividend has been paid. So if you want more details, you will get it in the balance sheet. So this we are looking at your profit and loss account, what we also call as the statement of earnings or income statement, whatever. But in accounting term, we call it the profit and loss account. So there will be a balance sheet. There we can see there will be some preference shares. You have balance sheet. So see, again it is saying condensed, so they have not given in detail. So there is no, if they have only mentioned shareholder equity, this number must be in billions here, $92 billion. It's a lot of money. Let's see. Okay, it's not given in detail. We'll have to pull up some other system to check this. But basically, yeah, out of this 92 billion, some amount will be normal shareholder equity and some amount will be preference shares. So there are two different kinds of shares. So maybe I can show you what is a preference share. So preference share, more commonly referred to as preferred stock. So that is why you saw preferred stock dividend. I think third dimension. Investopedia very much talks about from an American angle. Okay, so if there are American companies you are evaluating, Investopedia, if you check, you will get good answer.
Oh, okay.
So here it says na preferred stock dividend. So they are also saying preferred stock. So preferred stock are share of a company stock with dividend that are paid out to shareholder before common stock dividend are issued. What I just explained. If company enter bankruptcy, preferred stockholder are entitled to be paid from company asset before common stockholder. Most preferred stocks have fixed dividend, while common stock never have fixed dividend. Preferred stockholder also typically do not hold any voting right, but common shareholder do. So by and large, if you see, preferred stock behaves like a bond, where they get dividend at a fixed rate, just like a bondholder will get interest at fixed rate and no voting rights. But it's still known as shares because although the dividend amount is fixed, it is not guaranteed because they are preferred shareholders, not bondholder. In bondholder, whether the company, if the company is in loss, still they are obliged to pay the interest. Whereas in preferred stock, if the company is in loss, they are not obliged to pay the dividend. But in preference share, again, there are many categories. There is something called cumulative preferred stock. So which means if this year company made loss, they were supposed to pay 10% dividend to the preferred stock guy and say total 100 crore preferred stock company has issued, which means 100 crore into 10%, 10 crore, the amount of dividend was to be paid. But company made a loss, so they did not pay. So next year, this 10 crore will get added to next year's 10 crore. So total 20 crore. Year company makes profit, they should pay 20 crore. If next year also they don't make profit, the third year it will become 30 crore. And then there are other three to get into details. You guys can read and ask.
Right.
And
Fine,
generally,
thank you.
Nishant, sorry, just one thing. So, Nishant, one thing that who are the people who own these preferential shares generally? Are the promoters in like how can people apply for this, or in general, who are the people who hold these preference shares?
So again, generally this is
Maybe Nishant, your voice is breaking. Is it no, when Vaibhav speaks, no, I can hear you clearly.
Either into retail.
Okay. No.
Oh. Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
sometime it was breaking. Maybe it's my connection or I'm close to internet
It's
connection. Yeah.
It's
having the
Nishant.
same issue.
It's the same issue.
Okay, you're also hearing. Okay. It was not good. No, yeah, we couldn't hear you continuously, Nishant. I think it was, no, there was a break in between.